10 AI tools that feel like they came from the future. Artificial intelligence has gone from being a futuristic concept to becoming one of the most useful technologies in our daily lives. Whether you're a student trying to finish assignments faster, a content creator making videos, a business owner looking to save time, or simply someone curious about technology, AI can help you work smarter. But here's the problem. There are thousands of AI tools available today. Many of them promise incredible results, but only a handful are genuinely useful. In this video, we'll explore 10 AI tools that are changing the way people work and create. I'll explain what each tool does, who it's best for, its strengths, its limitations, and how you can use it in real life. Let's get started. Number 10. ChatGPT. ChatGPT has become one of the world's most recognized AI assistants. Think of it as a conversation partner that can help you solve problems, generate ideas, write content, explain difficult topics, and even assist with programming. For example, if you're a student struggling with algebra, you can ask ChatGPT to explain each step instead of just giving you the answer. If you're applying for jobs, it can help write or improve your resume and cover letter. If you're a business owner, it can generate marketing ideas, product descriptions, customer support replies, or social media posts. One of ChatGPT's greatest strengths is versatility. It isn't limited to one profession. It can support writers, developers, teachers, designers, entrepreneurs, and many others. However, it's important to remember that AI isn't perfect. It can occasionally make mistakes or provide outdated information, so it's always wise to verify important facts. Number 9. Claude. Claude is another powerful AI assistant, particularly known for handling long and detailed documents. Imagine receiving a 100-page report from work. Reading it could take hours. Claude can summarize the key points, identify important sections, answer questions about the document, and even compare multiple documents. Lawyers use it to review contracts. Researchers use it to analyze papers. Businesses use it to process policies and reports. Its ability to understand long documents makes it especially valuable for professionals who deal with large amounts of information. One limitation is that, like any AI, it still requires human review for critical legal, financial, or medical decisions. Number 8. Google Gemini. Google Gemini combines AI with Google's ecosystem. Instead of switching between multiple apps, Gemini can help draft emails in Gmail, summarize documents in Google Docs, organize information in Drive, analyze spreadsheets, and answer questions using Google's services. Imagine planning a vacation. Gemini can help create an itinerary, estimate travel costs, organize reservations, and draft emails, all within tools you may already use. Its integration with Google's ecosystem is one of its biggest advantages because it reduces the need to constantly switch between applications. The downside is that some advanced features may depend on your account type or region. Number 7. Midjourney. Midjourney has transformed digital art by allowing users to create stunning images from simple text prompts. You can type something like, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars." And within moments, Midjourney generates artwork that would have taken hours to create manually. Artists use it to brainstorm ideas. Marketing teams create concept art for campaigns. Authors visualize book covers and fictional worlds. Game developers prototype environments and characters. While the results can be impressive, generating exactly what you imagine often requires refining your prompts through multiple attempts. Number 6. Runway. Runway is changing the way videos are produced. Traditionally, removing backgrounds, adding visual effects, or deleting unwanted objects required advanced editing software and significant experience. Runway uses AI to automate many of these tasks. You can erase distractions, replace backgrounds, generate visual effects, and even create videos from text descriptions. For YouTubers, filmmakers, educators, and social media creators, this can dramatically reduce editing time. That said, more complex projects may still benefit from traditional editing software and human adjustments. Number 5. ElevenLabs. Voice technology has improved dramatically, and ElevenLabs is a leading example. It can generate natural-sounding speech in multiple languages and accents, making it useful for audiobooks, YouTube videos, podcasts, customer support systems, and educational content. Many creators use it when they don't have access to recording equipment or want to produce multilingual content. Because AI-generated voices can be highly realistic, it's important to use them ethically and avoid impersonating people without permission. Number 4. Perplexity. Perplexity combines AI with web-based research. Instead of simply listing search results, it provides direct answers while citing the sources it used. This makes research faster and encourages users to verify information themselves. For example, if you ask about the latest developments in renewable energy, Perplexity summarizes the topic and points you toward the original sources. This can save time while promoting responsible research habits. Number 3. Notion AI. Many people struggle with organizing their work. Notion AI helps by summarizing meeting notes, creating project plans, generating first drafts, organizing tasks, and turning scattered information into structured documents. Imagine attending a 1-hour meeting. Instead of manually writing a summary, Notion AI can extract action items, deadlines, and key decisions. This allows teams to spend less time on administrative work and more time solving problems. Number 2. Cursor programming can be challenging, especially for beginners. Cursor acts like an AI coding partner. It explains code, finds bugs, suggests improvements, and helps developers understand unfamiliar programming languages. Rather than replacing developers, it helps them become more productive by reducing repetitive work and providing quick explanations. Even experienced programmers use Cursor to speed up software development while maintaining control over the final product. Number 1. Canva AI. Canva has become much more than a design platform. Its AI features can generate presentations, social media graphics, marketing materials, videos, images, and written content. A small business owner can create a logo, design promotional posters, write advertising copy, and produce social media posts, all within one platform. Teachers can build lesson presentations quickly. Students can create visually appealing projects. Content creators can design thumbnails, infographics, and short-form videos. The biggest advantage is accessibility. You don't need advanced design skills to create professional-looking visuals. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a trend. It's becoming part of everyday life. These tools aren't meant to replace human creativity or expertise. Instead, they help us spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time focusing on ideas, problem-solving, and innovation. The people who thrive in the future won't necessarily be those who know everything about AI. They'll be the ones who understand how to use these tools responsibly and effectively. Now it's your turn. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? And is there another AI tool you think deserves a spot on this list? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and technology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.